Descript AI Review. Watch before using. Descript AI is a powerful tool designed for content creators, podcasters, and video editors who want to streamline their editing process with the help of advanced AI. It's a multifaceted platform that offers a unique blend of transcription, audio editing, and video editing features in one package. The AI-powered transcription tool is highly accurate, converting speech to text with minimal errors. What sets Descript apart is its ability to edit audio and video just like you would text. You can cut out words, sentences, or even entire sections by deleting text, and the audio or video automatically adjusts to reflect the changes. For podcasters, this means editing your episodes is as simple as editing a script. The automatic transcription makes it easy to spot mistakes or awkward pauses, and you can delete or rearrange parts effortlessly. The feature called Overdub allows you to add new audio in your own voice, making it a game changer for editing out mistakes without needing to re-record the entire segment. This is perfect for busy content creators who need to save time while maintaining high-quality output. Descript's screen recording feature is another standout. It's ideal for tutorial creators, educators, or anyone needing to record their screen while narrating. The platform also integrates with various platforms like YouTube, making publishing much easier. Plus, it offers a collaboration feature where teams can work on the same project in real time. However, it's not all perfect. Descript's free plan is quite limited, and while the premium versions are feature-packed, they can be pricey for individual creators or small teams. Additionally, the learning curve for new users might be a bit steep, especially when trying to grasp all the available features at once. In conclusion, Descript AI is a robust tool that offers significant advantages for those creating audio and video content regularly. Whether you're editing a podcast, creating a video, or even collaborating on projects, it provides a seamless, AI-powered solution. If you're looking for a more efficient way to edit and produce high-quality content, Descript AI is definitely worth considering.